Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video tutorial on how to make a verification process sort of thing with reCaptcha style stuff. So let's go ahead and quickly show how it works, just so you know, like so. Then, sorry, wrong alt tab. And yeah, you've been verified, right? So it's a fairly simple sort of verification system, and I think it's worth sharing. I saw it recently being used by a person I know, and I thought, why don't I sort of show off how to make it? So, first of all, you want to go over to your terminal, do pip install CAPTCHA. Now, just for your reference, I am using PyCharm. You can use whatever IDE you want, obviously. Okay, and then in your imports, go ahead and do from captcha.image import image CAPTCHA, like so. This will import the necessary package required to do the whole, image generation thing. So, to start this off, we'll do sender equals ctx.author. Now this is in a slash command. You don't need to make it in a slash command. I assume if you're making a command such as a verify one, you probably know how to make one, so I'm not going to really explain what's going on. Now, we'll do image equals image captcha, and we'll put in our width and call it 280, and height, we'll call it 90. Now, this is just like sort of how our image should be looking, like this, right? Up to you how you want to make it. And next we'll do, for the CAPTCHA text, we'll do CAPTCHA text equals random.randint. I want it to be a 6-digit number, so of course we'll do that, and bam. Now we'll do, since CAPTCHA text doesn't really, it can't take in anything but a string, we have to sort of stringify that, so we'll do that. String CAPTCHA text as so. Now, we'll do data equals image dot generate, and we'll say CAPTCHA text. This will sort of generate the image we need with the CAPTCHA. And now we can start doing a quick check for if they have a role. So the role has underscore equals role underscore has equals discord dot utils dot get ctx dot guild dot roles, and we'll look for the role, but with name, by the name of user. And now we can go ahead and do if if role has in ctx.author.roles, we'll say wait ctx.respond, you are verified, and we'll ephemeral that so it doesn't clog our chat. Now we'll do else, so if they don't have that role, we can actually start verifying them. We'll do await ctx.respond. We'll say check your DMs, and ephemeral as well. Perfect. And now we'll do image.write, and we're gonna first pass in CAPTCHA text, so that's what it writes. Then we'll pass in our sort of name of the file, and I'm gonna include a directory. You don't have to per se, but I will, just because I don't want it to clog. Obviously it'll get deleted each time a user sort of verifies, so your bot won't get overrun by, just overall people making a lot of verification sort of .png files. Anyway, we'll do await person dot send. Now we're gonna send them our sort of CAPTCHA. So we'll say write what the CAPTCHA has, and we'll say file equals discord dot file, and we're gonna call on that directory and then the name of the file, captcha.png. Now, sorry, this should be sender.send, not person. I'm not sure where that came from. Anywho, now that we've gotten that done, we're gonna go ahead and first print out the CAPTCHA text for your reference. Now we'll do if CAPTCHA text is equal to what we first we put this in a while true loop. While true, and then we're gonna kind of wait for a message from the user, so we'll do message await bot.wait for, and we'll want it to be a message that we're waiting on. Then we're gonna make a lambda, or a check equals lambda check, and this is just so we're not this user's verification process doesn't get overwritten by somebody else's. So we'll do check dot author dot id equals to ctx dot author dot id. And now we'll also do if message dot guild is equal to none. So basically, because we're going to be in a DM and the answer should come in our DMs, um, the DM sort of like, it doesn't have a guild, so it'd be none, right? So we're going to look for that. We'll break out of our loop. Now, go out of that indentation bit. We'll say now print message.content. This is going to be the user's response. And you need to make it a .content so we can actually, read what the message actually has. Now, if message dot content is equal to CAPTCHA text, we'll do await cdx dot, or nope, sorry, sender dot send correct. You should be verified. Incredible. Now, we'll go ahead and now add the role to them. So we'll do role equals discord.utils.get cdx.guild.roles. And we'll go with name again. Name equals user. And we'll do await person dot add roles user or role. And we'll do if they're again sender, not person. Sender. And then we'll do else and say something along the lines of wait cdx.respond or sender.send incorrect, try again. That is mostly the command done. There shouldn't really be any errors from what I know, but who knows, right? Alright, /verify, and you're verified, right? So I mean, we know that bit works, thankfully. Now let's actually see the fun part. Check your DMs. You can see we got our message. I'm gonna copy this from our terminal. Correct, you should be verified, and as you can see, it also prints out our response. And yeah, perfect. We got our role. That's sort of really it to this. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'll try to get to them. And obviously you can add on to this. I'll also leave the article that I read about this stuff from, or well, I guess it's sort of like, I don't know, a website where they showed off this image captcha stuff. But anyways, have a good day. Goodbye.